everybody, MulkeyFilms here, and today we're going to do an unboxing of the new Melissa and Doug Let's Explore Indoor-Outdoor Scavenger Hunt playset. I picked this up from Target.com for $14.99 because I was looking for something to make our walks around the neighborhood or out at our wildlife refuge a little bit more fun, and when it becomes rainy in the fall, I was looking for some fun games to play in the house with the kids. So we're going to open it up. It is for ages 4 to 8. Here's some of the things we're going to be looking for. It's got collectible medallions inside, a little timer, some cards that have both things to find outdoors and indoors, some rules, 2 bags, and then some ID tags. So we're planning to use this with our almost 2-year-old and our 5-year-old. So let's see what the cards look like. When we open it up. So here are the bags. They look pretty sturdy, and they've got little pockets for you to put the scavenger hunt cards in, so that's pretty cool. Here's our timer. Okay, no batteries needed, and it goes all the way up to 10 minutes. This looks like this is like the little prize medallion. And then we have our set of cards here. We'll go ahead and open them up and see whether or not they're laminated. Because that would be my worry, is that maybe they aren't laminated, so we'll have to see how they hold up. Oh, there's our little pins for the names to go on the different bags. So those are tucked in there, along with the rules. Oh, the cards. Okay, so the cards are paper, but they have a little bit of a finish to them. You might think about running them through a laminator if you want them to last a little bit longer, but here are some of the examples. Something brown outside, or an orange in the house, something colorful, or an apple. They have some free pass, looking for a keychain or a hairbrush or a flashlight, a crayon, something green outside, something see-through, something fluffy. I think that our daughter is going to have a really fun time with this. I think my only recommendation would be that just to make sure that these cards last as long as you want them to, I would maybe take the extra step of trying to laminate them. But overall, I'm really excited to be able to do this indoor-outdoor scavenger hunt with our daughter. If you have any questions, please go ahead and leave them down in the comments below. And if you like what you see, go ahead and click subscribe. Thank you for watching MulkeyFilms.